Welcome to another Revel University video tutorial. This video will cover how to find, create, and edit service fees, as well as how to auto-apply them to certain types of orders. As with all of our tutorials, you can jump ahead to any topic that is most important to you. All of our videos have a table of contents listed below, or you can use the time bar to jump ahead. So let's see how service fees work. Service fees allow either a percentage charge or a flat fee to be added to an entire order or specific items. A service fee can be manually added by an employee or auto-applied based on certain criteria. To create a service fee, from the Management Console, navigate to the Products tab and click Service Fees in the left panel. By default, you'll only see active service fees. If you'd like to access previously deactivated service fees, use the drop-down to view all instead. Let's click on Add Service Fee to create a new one. Type in the name of the service fee you'd like to create. Then enter the amount of the fee, which should be a dollar or percentage amount. So in this case, to apply a 5% fee for using a credit card, you would enter a 5, and the type will be percent. Next, choose the application type to designate whether the service fee will be applied to an item or an entire order. For this example, I'll choose Order, which means that 5% service fee will be applied to the entire order. Next, select any of the checkboxes that apply. Variable fee can be used if the service fee will be determined by the user at the point of sale. In that case, the fee amount would be set to 0 and determined on each order. Check Taxed if the service fee is taxed by your prevailing tax rate, and checking Password would require a manager or owner PIN in order to apply the service fee. The Apply To allows you to select if the service fees are applied to the post-tax, pre-tax, or subtotal amounts of the order. Click Saved when finished, and now you've successfully created a service fee. To edit an existing service fee or to set up advanced features on service fees, click the Details icon. Here you'll see additional options for your service fee. For example, you can set the service fee as a pass-through service fee, set minimum and maximum order amounts for service fees, and more. At the bottom, you'll find a section for Service Fee Auto Apply, which can be used if you want to set parameters for which service fees will automatically be charged. Select the type, which will determine the condition under which the service fee automatically applies. These include Time Slot, which allows you to set a service fee to apply during certain periods of the day. Payment Type allows you to charge a service fee to certain payment types, such as credit cards. Guest Count allows you to charge a service fee depending on the guest count of the table. And if Dining option is selected, the service fee will apply to orders of the selected dining type. This is used a lot with delivery orders to automatically include a service fee with all orders that will be delivered. Click Save after you've made any necessary changes. In this example, I now have a 5% service fee that will automatically be charged to all orders using a Discover or MasterCard as payment. Once service fees have been created in the Management Console, those not set to be auto-applied need to be applied manually to either the item or order, depending on how they are configured. Be sure to refresh your point of sale in order for any new or updated service fees to appear on the point of sale. To add a new service fee to an item, click the item in the order and then choose Service Fee. To apply a service fee to the entire order, click Service Fee from the scrollable actions at the bottom of the order. Any service fee that is created in the Management Console will appear on this page. If you want to apply an existing service fee, select it from the list. You can also create a manual service fee directly on the point of sale by choosing Manual. As we did in the Management Console, you'll need to input the amount in dollars or percentage and a reason. And that's how easy it is to create and manage service fees on customer orders. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and were able to follow along to complete the necessary steps. If you have any additional questions, please visit the related knowledge base articles or tutorials linked below. Thank you for watching another Revel University video tutorial.